Hey friends, this is the Miss Wolfie from our Half Acre Homestead, and my parcel from Wish came in. Now I ordered a few things from Wish because I've heard all kinds of things. I don't even know what's in this parcel. But I had a shower this morning and I haven't done anything with my hair, so I'm hoping it's my hairpiece. Now I'm pretty sure I ordered the silver hairpiece because the salt and pepper actually look more silver, or they got their pictures mixed up. So let's open this up. I may have ordered two. Okay. Judging from the Chinese writing on these, I've got 3 parcels in one. So let's start with this one, which is, I'm hoping, the universal case for my tablet, which will make it much easier to read the Anne of Green Gable books. So let's open it and see. All right. It is an 8-inch made in China tablet cover. Now it's supposed to be universal. So let's just, well, it's like faux leather and cardboard. But if it works, I really don't care. Oh, so they're on elastics. Oh, that makes sense. And so it kind of just pops in there like that. And all my buttons are reachable. And I should be able to, oh, there it is. Okay, so it has this. Oh, okay, and that allows me to prop it up to watch. Unfortunately, it doesn't want to stay there. There's no sliding bit on the back. But okay, well, it doesn't hold up, but I think, or maybe I've got it in the wrong way. Maybe it should go like this. Oh, there it is. But the way this works is I had it backwards, of course. I was looking at the screen while it was on and it threw me off. But you just slide this forward and it catches on the faux suede here, but it'll also slide there. So it's actually quite adjustable, right? Not too shabby. So as for a tablet cover with a little magnetic snap, it may be cardboard and faux leather, but it really does the job. Now, somehow I forgot, or I accidentally turned off my camera. There is our tablet. Yay! That means I can stand it up in front of me while I'm reading the Anne of Green Gables series. Thank you, because I don't actually have the physical book, the 2 books that are missing, but I do have it on Kindle. Okay, now what else we missed is me opening these little parcels thinking they were my messy bun hair thing, but they're not here yet. This is a pair of compression gloves. For quilting or anything else that you have to do a lot of, and they're actually quite snug. But I also have this. I bought 2 different kinds. This, I won't wear them at the same time, but this one is just for this area, which is where my rheumatoid arthritis is. They're pretty. I thought it was inside out, but that's just, that's just fast, sloppy workmanship. But if they work, I'm not going to worry about the $2 and some cents that these gloves cost me, because I really do need help with quilting now, because the rheumatoid arthritis in both my hands, but in this one where I'm doing the needle, it's really, really hard. Okay, so no messy hair bun pieces. I think that's all I have left coming. See, that's the thing is, especially when you medicate, when you're on medication, I had a certain amount of money in my reserve to honestly preview some products that I ordered off of Wish. They came in time, so maybe they might take longer. I don't know, but so far so good. All right, there's my tablet case, which is cheap and flimsy, but it's going to do the job. And guess what? Everywhere I went, every store I went to, they had, cell phone cases and this and that, but I could never find just an inexpensive, cheap tablet cover that let me stand my tablet up. So that to me was worth every penny. Even though it's cheaply made, it'll do the job. And my compression gloves, there are two, but right now I only need one. And there are two of these thumb compression gloves, and those will both work. So if one breaks down, then I have the other. They're not very nicely made. You know what I mean? They've got little things hanging out. Like, to me, that looked inside out until I turned it inside out and it was actually uglier. But if they work, worth the money. This is the Mrs. Wolfie from our half-acre homestead saying, I didn't get my messy hair bun, but that might come tomorrow or another day. Hope you are enjoying my independent reviews of products coming from Wish. Take care. God bless.